Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of Jaipur vlog, and I need to do a background check constantly because my parents keep doing something or the other. So welcome to day 2 of Jaipur vlog. Today's day is gonna be very hectic because there are so many places we have to visit, right from certain gardens, palaces, museums, फूड स्टॉल्स एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स. प्लान था 8 बजे निकलने का, बट हम लोग टाइम पे उठे, बट आई हैड टू शूट अनदर कंटेंट फॉर माई आईजी एंड उसकी वजह से थोड़ा लेट हो गया. अभी जो नीचे ब्रेकफास्ट बुफे है हम वहाँ पे जाएंगे, खाएंगे एंड देन वहाँ से वी विल लीव फॉर टुडेज जितना भी प्लान्स है वो सब. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड.
दिन में गर्मी है,
रात को ठंडी रहती है.
ठंड बढ़ जाती है. गर्मी तो नहीं है.
हवाई जैन करता है, उसका भी सेम मतलब होता है. जैन उनका नाम था और पूरे इज हिंदी वर्ड फॉर सिटी. अंदर और बाहर जाने एक तो रैंप है, दूसरा स्टेयर्स है. रैंप वाज ओनली यूज्ड बाय क्वीन. वो चल नहीं पाते थे क्योंकि ज्वेलरी का वेट होता था ओकेजन टाइम पे.
So as you all can see right now, we are in the Amer Fort. It is also called as Amber Fort. Earlier it was called as Amber, now it is called as Amer Fort. Gonna capture all the views for you guys. Amazing, it is amazing, but the sun, it's too much. So these are the kitchens. Pura. Oh, in these royal times, all these women used to come here for all this cooking and all. And this is the main gate. This is the Sheesh Mahal, the videos that I captured, like and apparently if you can see this, the colors change. So if the blankets, the curtains are of red color, the mirror will reflect it and the color will change to red. So it depends on the king's mood. If king has put red, then he's not happy. If it is pink or white, he's very happy. So this Sheesh Mahal was the winter palace. Now this is the summer palace. We are going to go here. So these are all the rooms of the queens. King apparently had 12 wives, so each one were allotted like one room.
लाइट भी दिख रही है. अपन हाइट पे पीछे से कंटिन्यूसली विंड फ्लो होती है. जब हवा पानी से टकराती थी तो पूरे रूम पे एयर ठंडा करती थी. सिमिलर आज एयर कूलर काम करता है. यहाँ पे रेंज में ड्राई घास खस के पर्दे लगते थे. तो अंदर में ठंडी हवा स्टोर होती थी, बाहर में गर्म हवा. अब पानी कंटिन्यू फ्लो होएगा तो वेस्टेज भी बहुत जाएगा. तो वेस्ट नहीं कह रहा हूँ उन्होंने, जो यहाँ पे चैनल बनाया तो पूरा पानी गार्डन में सप्लाई हो जाता था और इरीगेशन सिस्टम भी.
This is a bathtub of one of the queens of Mansingh. How is she having bath here is my question. Sukh Mandir. Sukh Mandir is summer palace.
राजस्थान में क्यों नाम दिया क्योंकि राजस्थान में टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा 50
So we were like almost shopping for 2-3 hours. We took a lot of things, okay, and now we are here at Royal Rajwada for lunch, okay. We took a couple of things. My friend, she had already warned me that when you are here in Jaipur, you will definitely love to shop a lot of things. You won't get such things in Mumbai. And we were so hooked to everything that almost major shopping हो गया, आधा budget खत्म हो गया, but no regrets. मम्मी, shopping enchant. Jackass. See, for the first time she's saying shopping was jackass. Else she'll always be like, अरे यार इतना पैसा गया, वो गया. So we ordered one veg thali and one rice with I think aloo matar curry. I did not order Rajasthani thali because yesterday मैंने वो खाया. I loved it, but my parents were like, let's try something else. सो अभी ये ऑर्डर किया है. आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई लाल मांस बट आई डोंट नो कौन सा मांस रहता है उसमें बिकॉज आई ओनली हैव चिकन एंड फिश. तो लेट्स सी अगर लाल मांस इज गुड देन आई ट्राई दैट मे बी नाउ मे बी लेटर बट द म्यूजिक इज टू गुड हियर. Thank you. Music enjoy Nando. Music. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टॉप कहाँ पे है भैया? जल महल. जल महल it is. Are you excited? Look. So my mom na she does not go anywhere without a bindi, okay? And for some reason bindi खत्म हो गया कि क्या? हाँ? नहीं क्या किधर तो है क्या आप मिल रहा नहीं तुझे? This one big tikka she's put. Isn't she looking like Vasuli Bai? Let me know in the comments. खाना कैसा था? First class. क्यों?
अच्छा था जैसे थाली था ना.
What?
थाली लिया था.
हाँ वेज थाली लिया आज कल.
Variety ज़्यादा रहती.
हाँ कल राजस्थानी थाली ट्राई किया. आज वेज थाली ट्राई किया.
अच्छा
और कौन सी डिशेस अच्छी है राजस्थान की? दाल बाटी चूरमा ट्राई किया. फिर और कुछ है क्या? कचौड़ी एक बोला है अच्छा है करके.
बड़ा बड़ा.
हाँ वो अच्छा रहता है. और कुछ नहीं है क्या? इतना ही है.
कल आऊंगा ना मैं वहाँ से घर से
हाँ हाँ
सुबह तो वहाँ से और पास में उसकी अच्छी रसम.
अच्छा हाँ वाह हाँ हाँ परफेक्ट थैंक यू. So we are at Jal Mahal right now. So as you can see, it is exactly in between the water and apparently half of the mahal is inside the water, okay? But here it is very dirty, so I don't know. So you can't enter, you can't go inside obviously. So whatever the view is, it is from here only, okay? Sorry, I was just checking my mic. So whatever the view is, it is from here only. You can just stand here, click pictures. See. You can see here, right? Like everybody, they are just standing here and clicking pictures. That's it. हाँ टोपी वो अच्छी क्यूट तो है निलर निकुल. So this is the entrance for City Palace. We are off to City Palace followed by Jantar Mantar. So many names that I'm confused right now, but let's see. This is the entrance. This. My father is going on a different direction. Don't consider a guide everywhere. Where it's needed, only consider there. Like for example, we took one for Amer Fort. Only consider it for that, okay? This is vast. Oh God. What do you have to say?
Too much hot and sun.
Too much sun? Yeah.
My head is
The thing about महल्स here in Rajasthan is कि बहुत सारा महल ही महल है. So after a point it gets pretty repetitive, but it's okay. We still have a long way to go.
चक्कर आ जाते.
हाँ चक्कर आ जाता है. That's the thing. What do you have to say? Huh? What do you have to say? It's amazing. Now we are going to this museum. It is called as Friends of Museum Maharaj Savai Bhavani Singh Galleries. So we actually went inside that gallery of museum. It was like a shopping stall. It had bangles, shawls and everything. So photography was not allowed there. So I could not click anything there. So but there were these beautiful bangles that I took, and there were some good shawls also, but I didn't take that because I already had one good pair of shawl. And in the morning, and in the morning I took some saris, then one dupatta, then one chappal mojdi, then I think what else, बहुत सारा shopping किया यार, like बहुत पैसे गए, but ठीक है, I think it was worth the investment. It's like एक महल के अंदर there are 1,000 different महल्स. This is still not that vast compared to Amer Fort. Amer Fort was very vast, like very detailed also. My parents are so done. So now we are almost done, visiting each and every corner of City Mahal, and we are just sitting here now chilling. Look at them, they are just done, okay? But it's very vast, it's like very vast. Like as I said, ये महल के अंदर और 3-4 महल है, But obviously Amer Fort was like more vast and huge, and it had a lot of mahals inside, because apparently वहाँ के जो राजा थे मान सिंह, he had 12 queens, so each queen had like one palace for her. And then as I showed you all, there was Sheesh Mahal, there was this Winter Mahal, Summer Mahal. That was too detailed. Compared to that, this is not that detailed, but it's pretty good. Like once you enter the Mahal, it's very pleasant and very cool and everything. And inside the Mahal, there is this shopping thing which I spoke about. So that was not expected. Now let's see 2-3 more places to go, and then we'll call it a day. So now we are here at Hawa Mahal. We are so tired that we were almost planning to skip this, but then we were like, छोड़ो, अब ये एक चीज बाकी है, and then there's another temple left. अब अगर ये भी आ ही गए तो फिर टेम्पल स्किप करने का does not make sense. This is the entrance. क्या बोल रहा है प्रांजलि? Oh wow. Look at the beautiful sunset. Wow. You know what I hate? When I record something and then वो cut हो जाता है, ठीक है? So I recorded the entrance and everything, and I was talking about certain things, but unfortunately because my mic was off, वो record नहीं हुआ. So as I was saying, जंतर मंतर का ticket entry price is more reasonable than City Palace, which is understandable because City Palace is very vast compared to Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar it was 52 rupees per person, and City Palace it was 300 per person. Okay, so 300 total 3 लोग के लिए 900 हो गया. Doesn't make sense for 1 hour, but I think because it's a vast palace उन्होंने उतना charge किया है. And again, you all don't need a tour guide, okay? Tour guide is helpful if you're an history enthusiast, so they will keep telling you about the history of the places, like Raja Maharaja के time का, कब कौन सी century में क्या start हुआ, etc, etc. Even I am a history enthu, but after a point it gets pretty boring, so I don't think so you need that. So yeah, you don't need a tour guide. You can explore the place all by yourself. It's vast. They'll try to convince you by saying अरे आप घूम जाओगे, बहुत बड़ा है, आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. But वैसे भी like समझ के भी क्या ही करना है, हम तो यहाँ पे view enjoy करने आए हैं, हम यहाँ पे नज़ारा देखने आए हैं. But हाँ, like if you want to spend 900, it's good. Like I did. I did not spend 900 at the ticket price. कल मैंने एल्बर्ट म्यूज़ियम के लिए एक गाइड लिया, आज मैंने अमेर पैलेस के लिए लिया. अमेर पैलेस का गाइड वॉज लाइक ही एक्सप्लेन्ड एवरीथिंग वेरी वेल, बट देन आफ्टर अ पॉइंट आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक ज़रूरत नहीं था. सो एनीवे वी आर जस्ट सिटिंग नाउ हियर चिल करने के लिए, एंड देन हम घूमेंगे. दिस इज़ द व्यू फ्रंट ऑफ मी. इट्स लाइक अ गार्डन. इट्स गिविंग मी शू गार्डन वाइब्स मुंबई का. एंड लुक एट दिस बेब. So this is Kulhad chai. Okay, it's some specialty of your, I don't know, but I've heard about it. So I thought I will try it. It's super hot, so my fingers are literally burning. Try किया?